everyone. Today, we have one special guest with us, Shashank from Sri Chaitanya, who has secured All India Rank 5 in NEET 2021. Now let us call Shashank.
Hi everyone.
Let us ask Shashank some interesting questions that people generally do not ask but want to know answers of. So Shashank, tell me, was there a moment during your preparation where you felt demotivated?
Yes, many times, a lot of times. To be honest, at first I was very weak both attitude wise and academically. Then I started doing something from my inside that made me overcome attitude wise. And academic wise, yes, there were a lot of struggles. BPC is not that easy. From something as simple as understanding life cycle in plant kingdom to something as complex as DNA fingerprinting, polarization in physics, and the whole boring inorganic chemistry, time, sincere effort I put, and most importantly patient mindset helped me to overcome all of those stuff.
Okay Shashank. Now tell me, what are the common mistakes that you have observed students do because of which they could not make it into a medical college?
Frankly speaking, comparing with the others is the biggest mistake many students do. It's human to compare with the other guy. Some 16 lakh people are writing this exam.
True.
You might compare yourself with some 10 or 20 people, or let's just say maximum 100. You might feel yourself inferior or superior, but that is not going to help you. You should better compare yourself with 16 lakh people, or you just stop comparing. Life teaches different persons a complete different lesson. You just focus on yourself. Just don't care what is happening to the other guy academically. Just focus on yourself.
Okay Shashank, now tell me what not to do in order to get a good result in NEET.
What not to do? That's a very great and interesting question. First of all, just understand NEET is an exam, and doing great in an exam requires you two things: to know and to present. First of all, coming to the first issue, to know, acquire knowledge. See, NEET conducted by NTA has its reference book as NCERT, so you must master NCERT when it comes to bio, and also for chemistry, both inorganic and organic. For physics, I would suggest read NCERT once or more and have a good command on Sri Chaitanya's physics material. That would go fine. And coming to the second thing, how you present. That's very important. First of all, learn being confident while attempting the paper. And second thing, don't aim for very great thing while writing the exam. Just focus on doing the maximum you can. Basically, what most of the people do is they assume everything in the paper will be according to their will and wish, and when they find they did some few bubbling mistakes, or they just couldn't find few questions, they get a kind of panic attack. Then they let negative emotions to take over them. To overcome it in a simple way, I would suggest people to rather write in rounds. It takes some time, okay, to manage time, to read the same question twice in an exam where you should read 200 questions in 180 minutes. It takes time and practice and mastering that skill of writing in rounds takes time. That's my strategy, the 715 strategy, but that will help a lot because simple. Once you are habituated in getting rounds, you won't feel underconfident if you don't remember the question at the given moment, right? And if you can't solve the problem at that instant, you will believe yourself. You can do it at some other instant just within the exam. And yeah, once you master the skill of writing in rounds, you even feel it much better, and there won't come a time management issue, right? So I would suggest people to write in rounds. Be stable, be calm, but yes, once you did enough, it goes perfectly fine. Trust me.
Very well said, Shashank. Next, I want to know any message you would like to give to the students who are not able to clear NEET this year.
Yeah, and it's okay. It's not your whole zindagi. It's just an exam. It's a bit normal and okay to do bad at one exam. Just don't demotivate yourself. If you are really interested in BPC and then do MBBS in this country, then just give another attempt. See, like, I know many doctors who are very successful in their careers. Most of the patients who approach them are completely satisfied and they took long term. It's okay, just because you failed at a given moment at some 3 hours due to some reason or the other, don't let yourself judge you for your whole life. It's okay, it's just an exam, it's not your whole zindagi, right?
Correct. Shashank, tell me, other than Sri Chaitanya, study material and test series, was there any other test series that you took in order to maximize your score in NEET 2021?
I mean, I started to have a practice of NEET and grand test a month before final, and I took around 12 grand tests of it.
Thank you, Shashank, for being with us. All the very best for your future.
Thanks, it's been a honor for me to attend this. And yeah, best of luck to all my fellow students, not only for exam but your whole life.